What if your next adventure didn't just change you, but actually helped change the ocean? Welcome to Reef Buddy Philippines, a reef regeneration experience in Darwin, one of the most biodiverse marine environments on the planet. Here, you don't just look at coral reefs, you learn how they work, you learn why they're struggling, and you get hands-on helping them recover. Every dive has a purpose. Every skill you learn has an impact. We'll teach you the science behind reef regeneration, how coral grows, how ecosystems recover, and how divers can be part of the solution. No experience necessary, just curiosity, energy, and a love for the ocean. And yeah, it's not all lectures and clipboards. You'll dive incredible sights, discover wild macro life, make friends from around the world, and experience the Philippines in a way most travelers never do. This isn't volunteer tourism, this is learning, action, and adventure combined. If you want a trip that actually means something, book your Reef Buddy experience today.